Yeah, we are back here. Beautiful songs. And a Rukumane exclusive. She performed a song from the upcoming album.
Yeah.
So, you know, guys, I'm always feeling you. So anyway, you can just please let us know who you are and what you do. Why you here? Why you here?
Yes. Yeah. My name is Ntshikiwane. I'm a singer, songwriter, guitarist. I'm an actress. I'm an event organizer. I was here to sing, just to uplift the mood. You know, sometimes entrepreneurial talks, there's a lot of information. Sometimes you need like to allow them to process. So the music was just letting the information sink in. Yeah. Oh man, you know, sometimes you think you're the only one who's messed up so much, and then you hear other people have messed up with bigger amounts. So now you've lost 50k there, 20k there, you're crying like it's the end of the world. People are losing millions.
200k.
I'm like, wow. So it made me see that the road that I'm walking is not as bad as I am.
Yeah. As a musician, as an actor, how are you finding yourself? Because now when I look at you, I see a complete artist.
Oh, okay.
Actually, I see someone who should be on the tube.
Oh,
you understand? Who should be performing up there with your global citizens and so forth. So, what can you say in terms of your journey as to how long have you been doing this?
Yeah, I started in 2009 towards it, or I think it was around World Cup. That's when I released my first album. I've got 2 albums out. I'm working on my 3rd.
What's the name of the album?
That first album was called Wonderful. It's not anywhere online, guys.
Why?
No, you're not going to get it. Because you know when you're starting, check, I feel like, can I do this? I do this?
Even finding the confidence.
You know, and because I was young, I was in my early mid-20s. The influences,
You're not 21.
Back then, I think my song was popular and those kinds of artists were rhythmic elements. So, you know, you got influence. I wanted to do soulful music, but I found myself doing Afro pop because of, you know, the producer was like, no, at this time, this is what's popular, this was popular. So the first album was great. Like, it introduced me to people. I even got booked for certain festivals, for Pretoria and Joburg. I was based there. So even as much as I think now when I'm listening, back then I thought, it sounds great. Now that I'm listening with the growth, I'm like, And then the second one came, it's called The Soul Experiment.
The Soul Experiment.
Yeah, that's when I was experimenting. I was like, okay, I'm alone now. There's no managers, there's no whoever. Let me do music the way I want to do it.
Almost like being free, liberated.
Exactly, yeah. And a lot of times, artists' second albums, you'll see how different they are from the first. Because the first is usually, there's a record label, they're commercially focused, they want to push units. The second album, a lot of times is where the artist can say, all right,
now I can
let me do what I want to do, you know. So that's how it was. It was very well received. It was just because I didn't have a team, it didn't get the push that it needed. But I mean, when people listen to it now, then now I'm working on my 3rd album. So with this one, I've had a kind of a spiritual evolution during COVID lockdown. I think all of us had time to sit and reflect and think about their path, or what do I want to do, where do I want to go. I realized that I'm not that artist. Well, I know you're saying big stage. Yes, actually, global stages, yes. I'm not the, even when Roche came and said, hey, superstar, like I felt like,
who are you talking to? Me,
you know,
I'm just...
So I really am that musician that you could hear from my lyrical content. It's really listening.
It's very rich.
Exactly.
It's almost like you gave me, not to compare you to anyone else, but you gave me that Judy Super kind of a feel where you could actually, you know, go back, give that nostalgia as a young kid and all that, your lyrics. And so,
See, that's exactly what I want, because I found that people are hurting inside. I mean, lockdown also brought out a lot of my demons, a lot of my insecurities. So this album is going to be called Soul Medicine.
So everything's soul.
Soul, it's like I'm so focused on soul. So it's going to be called Soul Medicine, and it's really just to feed people's souls. And we're going to be doing a tour. So there's a lot coming, and maybe I can come back again and do an interview when I'm on the road. My name is Ntshikiwane. Stream the music, support the music, and
the song.
The song is
Second
called.
one.
The second one is called Shuma.
How does it go?
Shuma Moshumi
To make sure even in the next coming years, attend GEW and everything else when it comes to the improvement and development of artists, entrepreneurs, and Limpopo as a whole. Here are the kids. Blessings. Now, Shuramitzi, aka the Ghetto Rockstar, the Pink Panther, today again, Nalochi, signing out.
Lesikhathi bana stadium o tletse fela le fela ba tla ba disha e free ba khona go dlala ba be shapa ke mafetho
They know they see me. I'm unavailable.